Hi, what's up, everyone? Did you know that the right set of tires can completely transform your e-bike experience, making your ride smoother, faster, or even safer in extreme conditions? Today, we're diving into the top best tires for e-bikes you can snag on Amazon, designed to handle everything from city streets to snowy trails and sandy beaches. All the links are in the description, so be sure to check them out as we go along. Let's jump right in. On number 6, the 1/2 pack fat tire for e-bike mountain bike is a powerhouse for serious off-road adventures, boasting a massive 20 inches by 4 inches size that dominates snow, mud, sand, and rocky trails. This heavy-duty tire isn't just about width. It features a deeply aggressive, wear-resistant tread and a multi-ply casing that resists punctures and abrasions, making it significantly tougher than standard street tires. Unlike smoother tires like the WTB Groov-E, these fat tires trade a bit of battery efficiency and top-end speed for unmatched off-road stability. Included inner tubes and 2 tire levers make installation surprisingly simple for such a large tire, a real bonus for DIY riders. Its performance shines where loose surfaces dominate, but on pavement, the rolling resistance and noise are noticeably higher. Compared to the CST Big Boat or Hycline, this tire excels in raw grip and durability, ideal for winter commuters or trail enthusiasts who prioritize control over asphalt speed. And the cherry on top? Sidewall color options, black, white, brown, let riders customize the look of their e-bike. If off-road confidence is your priority, this is a top contender. What do you think about these rugged fat tires? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, the Hycline e-bike replacement fat tire 20 by 4.0 strikes a brilliant balance between pavement efficiency and trail readiness, making it perfect for urban riders who occasionally venture off-road. Unlike the ultra-aggressive 1/2 pack, Hycline's intermediate tread, rolling resistance lower, while still providing solid traction on dirt paths and light gravel trails. Its high-density, heavy-duty casing resists punctures and handles e-bike torque without wearing down prematurely, a critical feature for motorized riders. While it doesn't conquer deep mud or soft sand like the MOHEGIA or Allscape tires, its versatility is unmatched for folding e-bikes and mini-fat models that need a reliable, all-weather tire. Installation is straightforward, but note that tubes are usually sold separately, unlike the fully equipped 1/2 pack. In real-world use, this tire offers comfort, stability, and reliability without sacrificing too much speed, making it a compelling choice for commuters who occasionally ride trails. When compared to the ULTRAVERSE, Hycline is slightly less premium, but still delivers great hybrid performance, making it an excellent option for those who want a tire that adapts seamlessly between streets and light off-road paths. On number 4, the ULTRAVERSE 20 by 4 e-bike fat tire is a premium, all-terrain solution that truly shines for riders seeking consistent, predictable performance across mixed conditions. Sold as a 2-unit pack, these tires feature a directional tread pattern that maximizes grip when accelerating and braking, which makes them safer and more efficient on loose trails compared to non-directional options like the Hycline. With a high-density casing built to withstand e-bike torque, these tires provide puncture resistance and durability that urban riders and trail enthusiasts alike will appreciate. While they carry a slightly higher price tag than basic options, the combined benefits of matched pair consistency, directional performance, and robustness make them a smart investment for serious riders. Compared to the MOHEGIA, the ULTRAVERSE balances off-road aggression with smoother asphalt rolling, giving it hybrid appeal for riders who want reliable handling without compromising too much on commuter efficiency. Installation requires attention to rotation direction, but once mounted, these tires offer intuitive, confident performance across dirt, gravel, and city streets alike. On number 3, The MOHEGIA e-bike fat tire is all about trail dominance and versatility. Available in 20 by 4.0 and 26 by 4.0 sizes to fit both folding and full-sized e-bikes. Its high-performance all-terrain tread with deep, widely spaced knobs ensures maximum grip on mud, sand, and loose dirt, outperforming hybrid options like the Hycline and even giving the ULTRAVERSE a run for its money in raw off-road traction. The folding bead design keeps weight manageable, aiding handling and portability, something the heavier Allscape tires can't match. While the MOHEGIA excels on challenging trails, it sacrifices some efficiency on paved roads with higher rolling resistance and noise, making it less ideal for daily commuting. Installation requires attention to the directional tread, but the payoff is remarkable off-road performance. For weekend warriors or dedicated trail riders, these tires offer excellent value for money and a strong option for multi-bike households thanks to sizing versatility. Compared to the fat, heavy-duty 1/2 pack and Allscape, MOHEGIA offers a lighter, more agile alternative for trail-focused e-bikers who want control over raw power without compromising mobility. On number 2, the Allscape 26 by 4.0 fat bike tires, 2-pack, are built for extreme conditions and large 26-inch e-bikes or EMTBs, combining durability, traction, and stability. Their directional tread bites into snow, sand, and deep trails, making them one of the most aggressive options on our list. Sold as a pair, they ensure matched wear and performance, and the USA-based customer support adds peace of mind that imported options often lack. While the Allscape is heavier and creates higher rolling resistance on paved roads, it's unbeatable for off-road reliability, outperforming hybrid models like the Hycline and 9, even offering a stronger all-terrain edge than MOHEGIA in soft snow or beach sand. Installation requires care with directional mounting, but once mounted, these tires deliver a confident, predictable ride in the harshest conditions. For full-size fat bike and EMTB owners tackling serious trails, winter commutes, or beach riding, Allscape provides unmatched durability and performance. On number 1, the WTB Groov-E Hybrid Bike Tire, 27.5 inches / 29 inches, flips the script, prioritizing urban commuting and light trails with slick efficiency, wet weather grip, and optional flat guard puncture protection. Unlike the knobby Allscape or MOHEGIA, this tire features a smooth center for speed and grooved sides for traction in rain, making it perfect for city streets and daily e-bike commuting. Its wire bead ensures strength, though it's heavier than folding bead tires, and the flat guard option adds peace of mind against urban debris. When compared to all the fat tires above, Groov-E offers dramatically lower rolling resistance, a quieter ride, and better battery efficiency. But it's not suited for sand, mud, or deep snow. If your e-bike adventures are mostly paved or packed surfaces, this tire delivers outstanding value, safety, and reliability for commuters, urban riders, or anyone prioritizing performance in wet conditions over off-road aggression. So guys, that's a wrap on the best tires for e-bikes. Each tire here has its strengths, from hardcore trail monsters like the MOHEGIA and Allscape to versatile hybrids like Hycline and ULTRAVERSE, all the way to commuter-friendly options like the WTB Groov-E. All the links are in the description. Check them out, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-bike insights and reviews.